My Social Security, what to know before you sign up? 1. Go to ssa.gov/myaccount. 2. You must be 18 or older, have a valid email address, and a Social Security number. 3. Choose a credential provider, login.gov or id.me. 4. If you already have a login.gov or id.me account, select Sign in with that provider and follow the prompts. 5. If you don't have one, select Create an account and follow the steps to create it using either provider. 6. If you live outside the U.S., create your account using id.me.ssa.gov/foreign for details. 7. Once your credential is created, you'll be redirected to ssa.gov to read and agree to the terms of service. 8. For id.me, identity verification happens through their system. 9. For login.gov, SSA will verify your identity and send an activation code to complete setup. 10. If you have a security freeze or fraud alert, temporarily lift it to create your account. 11. Remember, only you can create or use your personal My Social Security account.